Hello everybody. This is a quick demo on how to access the reports of the PR, that is purchase requisitions created through the Ramco software. Now this is a principal's login and principal has access to view all the reports. So go on this URL login.ramcoerp.com, click on customer login. Now each principal will get his or her own username password, so make sure you enter it correctly, because if you enter a password wrong 3 times, your account gets blocked, and to activate it you need to speak to the IT team. Now once you are logged in, you'll need to click on menu, purchase and subcontracting, purchase request, maintain purchase subcontract request. Now once this screen opens up, there are two ways you can access the reports. If you want to see data about a particular PR, you need to enter the PR number here, or click on the UDS screen, click on PR report, and if you click on the report type, it gives you 4 options. So one is PR status PDF, PR status Excel. These are similar reports in different formats, and the bottom two are also the similar reports. The PR POGRN tracking detailed gives you a detailed report on purchase acquisition to purchase order to the delivery, that is when the AO creates a GRN. So that's a detailed, and this would be a summary report. So let's click on PR status Excel report. You can select the from date, like if you want PRs from like only last week or only first week, so or PR between 20 days, so you could just select the start date and end date. And depending on your locations, suppose now if you look at the status bar here, it shows you're logged in Kalyan. So Kalyan is having 3 units. One is transport, PJK, and PIS. So you could filter and see the reports separately, or you could see everything combined. So once you click on submit, you need to just click on open with, or you can save the file and then open it also. So let's understand each column here. So that's your location, that's your PR number. See, if you see, it shows you PIS, and if it is for PJK, it will show you PJK also. See here, you could say see PJK here. So depending on which unit or which section you're creating a PR, these three letters would get replaced. So that show gives you PR date. Now this is item description. So if you have like 10 12 items, it will show you all the items with the quantity. UOM is your units of measurement. Sometimes it's numbers, sometimes it's in liters, square feet. Now that's the amount. Now this is the amount of the entire PR. So that's your one PR which is generated. If you notice, all of them have the same PR number. Now let's understand what is this approved date and current status. Now approved means it shows who has approved this PR. Now it shows you your GM's ID if it is less than 50,000, and if it is greater than 50,000 it will show you the trustee's ID. This shows the approved date and status. Now let's understand what is status here, current status. Now closed means that the purchase has created the PO for this particular PR number. Authorized means the GM is authorized and it is waiting for purchase to create a PO. Again, closed the same as I said, close indicates that the PO has been created. Cancelled, if the GM wishes to cancel the PR, or the trustee wants to cancel the PR, so then it would show you the cancelled option here. And it shows you one more status called as fresh, which indicates that it has not been authorized yet, so it's waiting for authorization from the GM or the trustee. So that's a very simple report. You could go through it anytime you would want to, and I would also like to show you the second report here, the PR, PO, GRN tracking summary report. So let's keep all the options default and click on submit. So depending on the data it's getting from the server, it takes that much time for generating the report. So I click on open with. So out here you will see same location, PR number, PR date, description, that's item, and quantity. And here you get for the first time details on PO. That's what's your PO number, what's your PO quantity. Why there is a PR quantity and PO quantity is sometimes as an AO or principal you might need 100 units or 100 items, quantities, and if the GM feels or the trustee feels that no, it's enough to have 80 or 70, so they could change that before they authorize. So that's why it will show you different quantities here if there is any change. It shows you the supplier name, shows you the PO date, the estimated delivery date, and also it shows you the GR numbers. Now this GR numbers indicate that the delivery is happened for this particular PR. You will see some columns having no GR number and just having the PO number. So that means that still the deliveries have not happened and the GRN is not created. Also, if you notice, the GRN also shows you a accepted quantity option, because sometimes though the quantity is like 10 and you might receive only 5 in the first phase of delivery and 5 in the next phase of delivery, so it shows you the accepted quantity also. So that's it. You could write to the IT department in case of any queries. We would pass on uh, the email IDs and the phone numbers of who you have to speak to in case there's any query. Thank you so much.